The highlands are shivering under a bitter chill as temperatures in Baguio and Benguet plummet to their lowest levels this season. Residents and tourists alike are braving the frost by bundling up and seeking warmth in traditional highland coffee as the hanging amihan peaks. Christine Joyce Abaway has more on the andap phenomenon affecting farms and how the mountain province is coping with the intense cold front.
The temperature in Baguio City and Benguet was recorded as the lowest temperature. Residents, especially tourists, are really feeling the cold weather in the city. Almost everyone seen around the area is wearing thick jackets to protect themselves from the cold. Because of the cold climate, jogging and exercising have become the main activities of some residents and tourists so that they won't feel too cold, like Tatay Raul who makes it a habit to experience every morning.
Ang ginagawa ko riyan para matanggal ko yung lamig sa katawan, nagja-jogging ako, nag-exercise. Katulad nitong ginagawa ko ngayon. So, yun lang ang way ko para at least pandagdag na rin sa, alam mo niyan, physical fitness, importante sa katawan.
At Aling Adela's stall in Wright Park, she can sell up to 5 thermoses of Barako coffee in just 1 hour, like the other nearby vendors.
5 termos kasi maraming nagkakape dito kasi malamig.
Mga anong oras po usually pumupunta yung mga tao dito para magkape?
Mga 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Ubus na ho.
Ubos na. 7 to 8.
Ang pagkakape.
Kasi maraming nagkakape pag umaga.
Because of the cold weather, many tourists are still visiting Atok Benguet, especially in Paway. Temperatures have been recorded at 5.4 degrees Celsius as of 5 a.m. today. According to Atok Tourism Councilor Edward Haight, some of the cabbage farms in the area are now experiencing frosting or andap.
Napakakapal po kaninang umaga at I think it damages some of our crops, mas lalo na yung mga repolyo na yung harvest. Yun ata ang gustong-gusto ng mga turista, the cold weather of Atok, not only the flowers namin. They can really feel how cold yung temperature. So yung mga natulog kagabi sa campsite o sa mga homestay, naramdaman po nila yung laliliro. Tuloy-tuloy po ang turista natin na dumarating sa Atok since the whole year round, pero napakarami po starting December 22.
Temperature in Sintubauco Mountain Province have also been recorded at 4 degrees Celsius. According to Pagasa, the cold weather being experienced is due to the northeast monsoon or hanging amihan, which is typically felt from November to February.
Sa ngayon, ma'am, ang ating prevailing na weather system is yung northeast monsoon o yung hanging amihan. So expected po natin na mas lalakas pa ito hanggang sa weekend, no? So asahan pa po natin yung possible po na mas mababang temperature po approaching weekend.
As of 5 a.m. today, Pag-asa recorded a temperature of 10.6 degrees Celsius in Baguio City. So far, this is the lowest temperature recorded this January. According to Pag-asa, cold weather will continue in the coming days. To those who are planning to visit the city, don't forget to bring a thick jacket and a bonnet. Christine Bornolia Sabaway for National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.